Do you want to read messages on Microsoft Teams without letting others know? In this video, I will show you how to turn off or how to disable read receipts on Microsoft Teams step by step, so you can read messages privately without notifying the sender. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Teams or Microsoft Teams app. In this first page, you'll find this window on above here, as you see, on profile. So we'll tap on profile. Here in this list, you will choose to tap on settings. So we'll go to settings. After that, in this page, you will find this window of messaging. So you will tap on messaging. Then here on the window of messaging settings, you will find read receipts. As they said to you here, show read receipts for messages you send and receive. You will also see read receipts for other people in group chats. So you will click here to tap and to disable this read receipts feature on Microsoft Teams. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.